Peppery Mayo. Too late for that, I already squirted it inside you. This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine an original recipe slider made with marinated chicken breast, coated in a secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices, cooked until golden brown, served in a tortilla with crisp lettuce and peppery, mayo-y, creamy stuffy. Looks like an anemic chuka portion covered in a spunk bowl. Still, the pepper mayo complements the original recipe tender really well. Almost like the main ingredient would be something like pepper. For $2.95 it's definitely finger sniffing good. Speaking of sniffing fingies, sniff the screen and rub the bell. And while you're at it, buy some merch from the store in the description panel below. Cause you need it, so that you can look cool. Cut the toddies off the chick and boil the wobbly bits in water, along with vinegar and chicken stock cube. Beat an egg up in a bowl and drown those wobbly bits. Flour, garlic salt, some regular iodized table salt, thyme, mustard powder, basil, paprika, oregano, white pepper, black pepper, ginger, celery salt. Combine the ingredients together. Chuck the tenders in, put the top on, give it a good shake. I used a wok of veggie oil to cook it at 180 degrees centipede. Whole egg mayo, white pepper, nature pepper mayo, 2:1 as a ratio. Toast your tortilla, pepper mayo, lettuce, tender. Came in the tortilla, so she's up to duff now. The gist that keeps on coming. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I will see you next Tuesday.